forged wheels, the carbon forged wheels, which they just put me onto. I didn't even know they had that. So I transferred those onto my new bike and I love them. There's 3 flavors the BMW gives you in wheels, and there are the regular ones, the carbon forged ones, and then the carbon, full carbon. And so I'd always opt for the carbon forged because they're about 4 pounds lighter and they help with the turning. Don't know if I want to do the full carbon one because I'm not really hitting the racetrack and I'm a road rider. You good? La da 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 da. That's my boy Ev Star over there. He's on the phone, so he can't hear me. But we're on comms.
I just had to, it's just something that should have been handled weeks ago, and it's on my plate now. So I had to call somebody. But
yeah, you're good.
I was gonna ask. I guess from here you're gonna go to Erdel. I'm going to get my car.
I'm 15 minutes away from Erdel.
Yeah, and then I'm back the other way. I'll just go to the last way. But yeah, you know, I'm getting the car. Grab my laptop, and yeah.
I'll see you there, bro.
Alright, see
you. Here we go. Yo, I'll see you when we get on the other side of. Da, 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 da. I'm gonna miss standing up on this bike and just getting the air on my chest. Putting the I've always babied this bike too. Never really off-roaded or did anything. Put this baby on cruise control, stand up like this, and just drift down. You could do your little videos and be like, California love, gotta think of help. Throw your hands up there like duh. Do 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 do. Hold up. Hey. Let's put it in sport mode. Cruise control on this is absolutely gorgeous. Just to be able to sit back and kind of just let it do its thing. Put it on Dynamic Pro, but I'm gonna take it easy, so I'm gonna take it out of Dynamic Pro with just this mode button. Bing, 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 road. And I'm gonna cut the throttle off and then put it back, and on just like that, everything just gets really soft and cushy, and I still have my performance. So yeah, this bike can really move like a light bike when it starts moving, and then people are like, why you muscle that bike around? How light is it? Because it looks heavy. No, it's heavy, but it's just very agile. Maybe I should have left it in Dynamic Pro, but yep, this also does have the Dynamic Pro. Whoop. Does have Dynamic Pro. So, because I know that you can't have Dynamic Pro on all of them, so that's why I mention it. But like I said, this baby has everything, like everything that you can possibly get on the bike. It doesn't come with heated seats in this year, right? That's the only thing that I don't have, but it's got a plug to plug your pants in, or your suit in if you have a heated outfit. The adapter's there for you. So, but Oh yeah. Always a joy to ride this. I'm not gonna lie, I will miss this bike. I will. I sold my DRZ thinking I was gonna miss that because I rode that bike more than any other of my bikes, really. But I didn't miss it. I was actually good.